Today, we're diving into the latest and greatest features of Windows Server 2025. Let's explore what's new. Windows Server 2025 is the newest release from Microsoft, designed to enhance performance, security, and management capabilities for businesses and IT professionals. One of the standout features in Windows Server 2025 is enhanced security. It includes advanced threat protection, improved encryption algorithms, and seamless integration with Azure Security Center for some comprehensive security management. Windows Server 2025 brings significant improvements in performance and scalability. It supports larger memory configurations, faster processing speeds, and optimizations for virtualization and container workloads. Managing servers is easier than ever with Windows Server 2025. It introduces a redesigned management console with intuitive interfaces, streamlined deployment tools, and enhanced PowerShell modules for automation. For business leveraging hybrid cloud environments, Windows Server 2025 offers seamless integration with Azure services. It includes built-in support for Azure Arc, enabling unified management across on-premises and cloud environments. Containerization is the key focus in Windows Server 2025. It supports Kubernetes natively, allowing you to orchestrate and manage containerized applications more efficiently across your infrastructure. The networking capabilities in Windows Server 2025 have been enhanced for better performance and reliability. It includes support for software-defined networking and improvements in network security protocols. If you're considering upgrading to Windows Server 2025, make sure your hardware meets the system requirements. Installation is straightforward, and Microsoft provides detailed guidance to ensure a smooth transition. And there you have it. Windows Server 2025 brings a host of new features and improvements designed to empower businesses with enhanced security, performance, and management capabilities. Whether you're in IT or managing a business, this update is definitely worth exploring. If you found this overview helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights.